Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute cream puff. Let's get started. First, we choose black color and 6B pencil and sketching to draw a quick draft. Let's draw 3 ovals first. The top and bottom will be the shells, and the middle circle will be the cream. Then draw more ovals on top. This will be cream and some grapes. Add another grape at the bottom right. Then let's increase the drawing a little bit and move it to the center of the canvas. Next, let's draw the top shell with the decoration on top, based on the ovals we just drew. And add a cute face. Then clean the draft lines a little bit using eraser. Now let's draw the cream in the middle. Use eraser again to clean the lines. Next, draw the bottom shell for the cream puff. Now we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Now we can start to draw our final artwork on a new layer. Change the brush to Studio Pen and inking, and use the dark brown color to draw the outlines based on the draft. If you're new here and want to watch more Procreate tutorials, tips, and cute drawing ideas like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below. Once finished the outline drawing, we can hide the draft layer and start to add some colors for our drawing. Let's create a new layer below the outline layer and change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on a separate layer based on the reference layer. We can just drag and fill the drawing with different colors. Now let's give the background a light orange color. Then color the cream with white color. Next, let's show the draft layer. And draw the cute bear on the outline layer. Then fill it with white color on a new layer. Now hide the draft layer again. And don't forget to change our outline layer from reference back to normal. Next, we can start to add some details, shadows, and highlights for our drawing. Create a new layer on top of the coloring layer. And change the layer to clipping mask. In this way, the new drawings on this layer will only appear based on the parent layer. Let's select slightly darker colors to draw the shadows. For the shadows on the beard, we can combine the beard layer and the outline layer first, and then add a new layer on top of it, and change it to clipping mask, then just add shadows on this layer. Now select the bottom shadow layer and draw the shadows on the grips. Let's add another new layer at the bottom and draw the shadow on the ground. Next, create a new layer on top and add some highlights. Finally, we can add some icing on top using Flicks brush and their spray paints. Now we are done for the cute cream puff drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time.